Yeah, I come from Ghana and we haven't really been taught how to do anything to the hair. And growing up, I remember they put texturizing creams inside to make it softer, or they use the hot comb to make it straighter.
I was brought up with that one.
And that's about it. And that's, you can't do anything to it unless you want to do it in Ken Rose, which I hardly do because I don't know how to do it. So I'm stuck.
Okay.
If I don't put the chemicals in it, I'm stuck.
Then you're stuck. So we're back to the first point of call, which is that there was no one to show you, to teach you how to manage your own hair.
No.
So I talk Agatha through the soaking, washing and conditioning of her hair using one simple repetitive method. Taking into account her hair had been in braids for up to 4 weeks beforehand, she was quite surprised with the results.
Oh, if you could see this, I'm going to show you this afterwards to see the waves in your hair. How is it?
Waves in my hair?
You have waves in your hair. How does it feel?
It feels good. Sometimes by this stage, the scalp itself is hurting because of the pulling and the combing and
Yes.
but I'm not feeling anything.
Oh. Okay, say that again louder, please.
I'm not feeling any pain at all. It's all relaxing. I'm falling asleep.
Magnificent. So tell me about your experience with the whole thing.
It feels very relaxing in the whole process. My scalp feels very, I don't know, normally by the time I finish taking my hair off, finish washing it, the scalp itself feels sore. So I think this process is more gentle on the scalp.
Yeah.
And the hair itself feels very soft and relaxed.
Okay.
And even I couldn't feel anything as you were doing this as well.